Wahrashi is situated in Syntung village, which is 63 kilometers away from Shillong. It is formed by Wahrashi Shade River. The little known Wahrashi waterfall is a congregation of 8 waterfalls encircled with a cluster of sacred hills. Only tier 3 of the waterfall is made accessible to the public. The other levels, although visible, are not accessible. There are some viewpoints for the visitors to get the better views of the waterfall. Area surrounded is marshy land with a lot of wild vegetation with pitcher plant saplings growing in abundance. It is indeed a heaven. Wow, Wahrashi waterfall. It has a crystal clear water reserve in the state of Meghalaya. What a serene beauty.